Hello. Before we go to not continue to make the game, let's see how to download the IDE that we will make the game inside it. The IDE is mBlock. We will just write in the Google, download mBlock, and we will go to the first page, download page. And after that, we will go down, choose if you want the web version, but I don't recommend it. PC version, yes, I recommend it. And also another versions, as you see. Okay, so I will go to mBlock PC version, Windows or MacBlock. This is the version 5.4.3. I don't recommend this version because it's not good enough. We have some bugs. So just go to previous version and you will find 5.4.0. Yes, this one I recommend it so much. Download it for Mac or for Windows. For me, it's Windows. So I will click Windows download. After that, it will begin downloading. Now it's finished. You will find it like that. Just click and yes. After that, it will install. mBlock is running. Click OK to close it because I am running it already in my computer. After that, you will click finish and everything is okay. If something like that appears, just click install and click finish. Now you can open it. Let's go.